In this video, I'll show you how to use the sigverif command, also called the file signature verification tool, to scan your PC for unsigned drivers and system files. Here's how to use it. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type sigverif and press Enter. The file signature verification window will open. Click on Start to begin scanning your system. Windows will now check for any unsigned drivers or system files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the result. A detailed report is also saved automatically at c://users/public/documents/sigverif.txt. If you find unsigned drivers, don't panic. Simply visit the official manufacturer's website and download the latest signed version. That's it. A simple built-in tool that helps keep your Windows system secure and stable. Like and subscribe for more Windows tips.